First things first, I have a backdrop as part of my background. I bought the backdrop off of eBay, and it's a nice cottage scene I've utilized in pretty much all my indoor portraits and photos of the North Pole. I like it very much. It's different and much cozier than some of the other backdrops I've seen. This is the same backdrop, in fact, that I used in Season 1 of the Junior Claus workshop, though my lighting wasn't as great, so everything fell very much flat, and it was very close to me as well, because I had to block out everything in the back. However, I believed at the time it was better to have, decent lighting, and the backdrop was much more interesting than showing the messy, toy-ridden room behind me, because, we have a toddler. As you can see here, over on one side is a Christmas tree, and on the other side is a door. I hung the backdrop on a closet rod, and then added some realistic features to bring in some three-dimensional characteristics to it. I put an actual lighted Christmas tree up on a side table to cover the backdrop's tree, and then a wreath over the door, and you can see the Christmas tree is still up. It's nice because the lights actually work. Then I put a table in front of the door, and one in the middle.